I don't know what I deal with. Yes, man. Mr. Dunce himself. Mr. 39 himself. Yeah, man. They are Jamal and Papi Dan. They want to motivate. I check it out and see what I deal with. I don't know. Say, yo, Jamal, Mr. Dunce himself is a big artist on the channel. Yeah, we've checked out numerous tracks from. You see me? Yeah, we checked out numerous tracks from Jamal and yeah, he's been well received on the channel. So we'll check it out. Jamal, Papi Dan, motivate. We're not going to hold over much longer. Let's get it.
𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Papi Dan music. Leave the 39 quarters.
39 GUD. We're good, aren't you?
You see, players I'm a fog from. You know, that's the fact words. That's hard work and dedication.
39 good. Go on to.
Motivation.
Yes.
That me use and open gate. Them say me song can play upon radio station.
Yes.
Me just believe and hold the faith. The dons them ever ready for the okay.
Buckler, dog, I live life. I tour up and sitting money and come in, Jamal.
Make it a late and don't be date. Remember me do this to me and it
Man say make it a late and don't be date. Got you.
Remember me do this
Fully banks, got you.
to me and the patron. And the fans them know me great. Motivate. Call me the goat, but me don't debate. And if I travel outside and scope the place, the dance man run the ground and we are motivate.
Yes.
Mommy know me great.
Motivate. I want the blood clean, got you.
Motivate. Call me the goat, but me don't debate. And if I travel outside and scope the place, the dance man run the ground and we are motivate.
Yes.
Yeah, mommy know me great. Say she feel it and she a overlate. Me say dance but me know
I want
so
the
you don't
bomb buckling. I want you. Hey, got you. That's easy. Got you.
motivate. Yeah, mommy know me great. Say she feel it and she a overlate. Me say dance but me know so you don't relate. But I hit me a use and I motivate. Dance, walk and believe. Chase your dreams and I watch the hate. Put on your weed, no procrastinate. I who feel it can relate. I know my diamond resemble the chandelier. Used
I
to
who feel it can relate. Go on, show man.
dance, walk and believe. Chase your dreams and I watch the hate. Put on your weed, no procrastinate. I who feel it can relate. I know my diamond resemble the chandelier. Used to sing about the Benz, now I dance the steer. Remember days funny ends, don't taxi fear. Me did have to make it out, man, God me swear. I know the table turn and me people.
Hey, yo, Jamal, man, me have to mash up my blood clot computer and motivate you. I'm to you. Hey, yo, go. Hey, me mash up this in a dog tune, body no you go on.
Walk and believe, chase your dreams and I watch the hate. Put on your
Walk
weed,
and believe, chase your dreams and I watch the hate. Go on, show.
chase your dreams and I watch the hate. Put on your weed, no procrastinate. I who feel it can relate. I know my diamond
Feel
resemble.
it can relate, brother. You see me if you can't, if you don't know what it's like being on the grind trying to build something from nothing, man, you can't relate to this shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I can't relate. What?
Put on your weed, no procrastinate. I who feel it can relate. I know my diamond resemble the chandelier. Used to sing about the Benz, now I dance the steer. Remember days funny ends, don't taxi fear. Me did have to make it out, man, God me swear. I know the table turn and me prepare for learn. Me will a meds way firm and not a bridge no burn. Things take time, find
Oh, come on, listen.
table turn and me prepare for learn. Me will a meds way firm and not a bridge no burn. Things take
Easy now, man. Know the tables.
Now the table turn and me prepare for learn. Me
I'm to
will
you.
a meds
Get
way
the
firm
street.
and not a bridge no burn. Things take time, find ways to earn. The world is mine and me claim me first. Slave
Things take time. Oh, clad. Look there. Look there. On my wall. They say that, say, follow your dreams. Great things take time. Make every day count. I want to know, man. Go and show. Hey, big up your damn self.
man don't eat and me daily verse. Remember hard work, do it that pay the earth. The company and sleep, but me fear the worst. And when
Hard work, do it at that pay of the earth.
don't eat and me daily verse. Remember hard work, do it that pay the earth. The company and sleep, but me fear the worst. And when the dunce man speak, that a pain with words. Believe, and we are motivate. Call me the goat, but me don't debate. And if I travel outside and scope the place, the dunce man run the ground and we are motivate. Mommy know me great. Say she feel it, but she a overlate. Me say dance, but me know so you don't relate. But I hit me, I use and I motivate. Motivation, that me use and open gate. Them say me song can't play upon radio station. Me just believe and hold the faith. It dance them ever ready for the occasion.
Yeah.
Make it a late and don't be late. Remember me do.
Man, say easy now, man. Big up, Jamal. Hey, this hard right here. Motivate.
Motivation, that me use and open gate. Them say me song can't play upon radio station. Me just believe and hold the faith. It dance them ever ready for the occasion. Make it a late and don't be late. Remember me do this for me and the patron. And the fans them know me great. Motivate. Call me the goat, but we don't debate. And if I travel outside and scope the place, I don't man run the ground and we are motivate. Papi then. Know me great. True believer, you know. You don't relate, but I
Yo, Jamie was good.
It's
good.
Remember the girls are drugs to give
Motivate. Buckley. Big up Jamal. Man, Mr. Dunce, man, you know.
ambition I key.
Make it that. Hey, they done them ever ready for you. They done them ready for every occasion. That date. Make it a late and don't be date.
You don't have to 40 words. 39 good.
Buckler. One Mr. Dunce. Buckler live life. Money I make. No, thing up here now. I'm telling man, Mr. Dunce, but thing fully bright. Come on, James, man, I drop in a tune, man. Jamie was good, gang. Was good, gang. When I drop be a James in a tune, and big up to Jamal. You already know what time it is, gang. Going crazy, man. Shout out to Jamal, man. Going crazy. Mr. Dunce himself. I do him thing. Yo. Yeah, when I best in the dance hall, no, man. Yo, I miss the live reactions, them, gang. I can't even lie to you. I'm missing the live reactions, man. I'm missing the live reactions, and we gotta go live and talk about some topics. You already know that's my second channel over there. Definitely go show some love over there. You already know what time it is. But yeah, man, what not doing? What not doing that night, Lord, please. We're there. We're gonna start going more often, man. You know what I'm saying? Probably put thing there in we're gonna get this out, man. I get this out, man. You see me what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that was Jamal. Mr. Dunce himself. You see me motivate. Gang, let me know anything about on in the comment section. You already know what time it is.